Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how to do a natural glam plus this pop-in red lip. Before we get into the video, I first want to say thank y'all for subscribing, liking the videos, or leaving comments. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. So as you see, we are just laying those brows flat with a little bit of brow glue. I believe this is from the brand NYX or NYX. I can't remember. They confirmed before how to correctly say it. I can't remember, but y'all know what I mean. So after I applied the glue to the brows, I'm just going to use my finger to lay those flat, setting those with some setting powder just to keep them in place and hold them throughout the day. Now that I've laid them flat with the glue, added a little bit of powder to keep them in place, I'm gonna just fill them in just a little bit just to get the foundation right now. This is not gonna be like the complete brow because I am going to go back later and touch it up, but I just want to fill them in for now just to give me a little foundation. So just use a concealer to clean the bottom of the brows. The concealer should be, well, it's really your preference, but I like for the concealer to be about one shade lighter. Y'all, if y'all like these tutorial videos, please let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see more of. Let me know in the comments what you struggle with. Just let me know so I could make sure I do these videos for you. I want this page is just meant to be super informative for those who love makeup and who want to learn more about makeup. I'm the person for you. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Turn on post notifications so you see when I'm dropping these new videos for y'all, because I have so many planned. So after you've done the brows and you've added a little bit of concealer to the lid space, go ahead and just add a little bit of foundation, whatever look you're going for. In this case, we're doing a natural glam, so it's just brown. I'm not sure if I showed y'all me moisturizing her face or not, but now I'm adding primer to her face. Mixing some shades. I can't remember what shade this was. It might have been the Macao from NARS, but I'm just adding a little bit of blue tint to it because I feel like the Macao is a little orange, a little too orange for her at that. So add that foundation to her face, and then I'm going to use that same foundation shade to line the top of her brow. So concealer for the bottom, foundation for the top. Spread that foundation out evenly. Y'all see I'm going in tapping motions. It actually looks like I'm kind of pressing a little bit hard, but I'm really not. So I'm just tap, tap, tap all over her face. Get it all in there good. Lay it out, spread it out evenly. Her skin's already pretty clear, so she really didn't need a lot. I just put enough on there to give her an even look. She already had beautiful skin, so she didn't need a lot, just enough to just, you know, it's makeup, so we're gonna give her makeup. And I've been doing her makeup too for a while. I've been doing her and her mom's makeup for a while. I love both of them. So yeah, we always have a good time. Anyway, on to and I added a little bit more foundation because I feel like she didn't have enough in that certain area. So we just added a little bit more. It's always best to add as you go. That's with anything, honestly. You just keep adding more. It's a lot easier to add more than to take away. Rule of thumb. Add a little bit as you go. Build up coverage, work up coverage, and it's okay. You don't want to go in too heavy because a lot of people, I don't know actually anybody who likes to feel heavy with makeup. Like nobody wants to feel like there's a lot of makeup on their face. So just go in lightly, work up the coverage, build it up. Using that concealer under her eyes just to kind of give her that brightness under her eye. Yeah, I realize this video is 19 minutes and I'm probably not going to be talking this whole video. I'm going to be dropping so many tutorials for y'all, like y'all are going to get it. I'm going to be doing not the same steps because I don't do the same thing for everybody. But if y'all subscribe to my channel and y'all watch my videos, y'all going to see how I do makeup and it is super easy to follow. So I don't think I'm going to talk for y'all the whole 19-20 minutes, however long my tutorials be. I'm gonna talk a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I did highlight her face with the concealer under her eyes, her chin, forehead, nose. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of a darker shade. This shade is probably like 1 to 2 shades darker, and I'm gonna use it as a bronzer / contour along her cheeks, along her forehead, the bridge of her nose, and maybe to the jawline. Of course, we gotta spray her face down with a little bit of setting spray. I love to do that. Don't ask why, just do. Actually, you can ask why, because duh, that's what I'm here for. I love to do that because it helps to set the makeup in. So blending all of that out, starting with the bronzer, blend it all into the concealer just so we don't have any harsh lines. And y'all see I got my fan again. I have my fan always, y'all. Always got my fan blowing on the client's face. It's on a low setting because I don't want the foundation or the concealer to get too dry. I just want it to get kind of tacky. If it's too dry, it'll be hard to blend. But if it's too wet, you're just gonna pick up products on your brush or your beauty blender, whichever you use. If you're watching my videos, I'm not using a beauty blender, like ever. So if it's too wet, you're just gonna pick up too much product on your brush. So just use your fan to just let it dry down a little bit. Blend the makeup in those creases. A lot of people have under eye creases, some people don't. But anyway, either way, you want your client to look up so you can blend the concealer all the way to her eye. 10 minutes. We halfway through already. This ain't so bad. I thought this was gonna be a lot worse. Lord, because talking for 20 minutes, child. All right, so on to the setting powder. Set that concealer with some setting powder. Just gently just adding layers at a time. Don't want to go in too heavy because I really like that smooth finish. So y'all see I'm just adding a little bit at a time and just gently just pressing in a little bit at a time. Again, build up the coverage. If you need more, then slowly add more, but it's always easier and it's always best to build up coverage. I like to dust off extra powder as well. That's with everything. Y'all might see me tapping my brush a lot throughout these videos. I like to dust off the extra powder. One, because I really fear that powder will get in my client's eye and then their eyes will start watering. And if you know, you know. We don't like no watery eyes. You know, if they do start to water, then we gotta deal with it. But 10 out of 10, don't want to deal with watery eyes. Set in all those places that we applied the concealer. So again, under the eyes, the forehead, the nose, the chin, top of the lip, all those places, set it with setting powder. On to the bronzer, y'all. Both of these palettes are from Juvia's Place. Y'all know I love my Juvia's Place. I believe these palettes mix in between the tan palette and the deep palette. I could be wrong, but I'll let y'all know in the caption, or I'll let y'all know in the description rather. Bronzer on those cheekbones, bronzer on the forehead, bronzer at the jawline, bronzer down the nose, onto the blush. I love this blush. Again, y'all know I love my Juvia's Place. So bronzer from Juvia's Place. She has such defined cheeks, and I really love that. I love that about her. She's such a sweet girl, and her cheeks just, oh, they're so pretty. Y'all see her smile. Her smile so beautiful. But I do like to go in with a little translucent powder. One, if you are an oily girl and you need an extra layer of protection. And two, because this translucent powder is from the One Size, and it really just gives that super smooth finish look. And I love that. It's super blurred. Yes, girl. Apply them lashes. Y'all see me got them tweezers. Oh, on to the lip, girl. On to the lip. Yes. So first we're gonna start by lining her lips with a dark brown liner. We really didn't want to go for a super bright red lip. Of course, we wanted to just line it with the brown liner and then kind of ombre the red. I think this is her first time actually doing a red lip too, so she was a little bit nervous, but I was like, girl, just go for it. Don't be nervous about the red lip. You gotta try it in order to know whether you like it or not. So we went for it, and I loved it. She loved it. She said her family loved it. It turned out beautiful for the pictures, so it was a win-win. And I actually think we might do this again. Y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all can already see, like, y'all can already tell this is about to be beautiful. I can tell anyway. This is about to be beautiful. I see it. Oh, I love this. I love when the makeup do what I want it to do. It makes me so happy. Y'all, to be honest, we could have stopped right here with the lip because it's already given. But we're going to keep going because we ain't done yet. Yeah, brush out that liner. Brush it out, blend it out. For real, we could have just topped the gloss on there and she would have been good. But we're going to add this red because that's what she wanted. And, yeah, blend out that red lip. This lipstick, I believe, is from NARS. Again, I'm going to have to leave the shade down in the description for you. Actually, I mixed the two. I believe one came from NARS and the other shade of red came from the SEPHORA line. So I'm gonna leave both in the description for you. Dusting away that setting powder with a pressed powder. The pressed powder is about one shade lighter because we was going for that bright under eye. So just dusting away all that loose translucent powder. Finishing up with the pressed powder along her face. Setting that makeup with some setting spray, of course. Doing applying a little bit of white to her inner corner just to make it pop a little bit more. I'm making it look nice and evenly blended. Finishing up with a little bit of highlighter along the cheeks and along the nose. Yes, girl, I love this look. This look is so beautiful. A little bit of mascara. She's so focused, y'all. To the top and to the bottom lashes. A little bit of mascara. Look at her, y'all. So beautiful. So y'all, so that's a wrap. So I'm gonna finish up this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. I have so much coming for y'all. Until then, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.